Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. What we are doing today is another copycat. I was watching TinaHBeautifulJourney yesterday, and okay, when I'm on TikTok, I don't see a lot of beauty. I see a lot of funny stuff. So the viral beauty stuff, I just never see it. I mean, I probably could, but for the amount of time I'm on TikTok, nah. It's just, it's one of those that doesn't do it for me. It really doesn't. I don't want to see an 18-year-old or a 20-year-old do something different for the sake of doing it, which is not something that you can go out with. But Tina made a video that I need to copy. I told her I was going to do it, and she was, I'm trying to find the right word and I can't. She seemed happy for me. Yeah, I hope that's the case, Tina. So I am going to, let's just get to it. Let's stop babbling, Bridget, and get to it. It is all about cherry cola. Cherry cola. It's not something while I was growing up, or even in my 20s or 30s, even now, we see a lot of. Here in Canada, or where I am, it's not something that's in your face like it is in the US. And since I drink only diet drinks, and I guess cherry cola doesn't come in diet, I don't even see that. So yeah, I've had it a couple of times, and yes, it's yummy, but the sugar, for some reason, the sugar in soft drinks just weirds me out. But I can drink maple syrup. Yeah. Yes, sorry. That's why we have 10 1-liter bottles for the year, because I'm addicted. Be that as it may, I am using, just like Tina did, she used a palette that has been inspired by the Huda Beauty Naughty palette. Mine is different than hers, but it is also an inspired by the Huda Beauty Naughty palette. Let me show you the palette before I go on to the cheeks first. So this is mine. It almost looks like it, doesn't it? But it's not. It says Huda Emoji. I've had this for a while. I can't remember which website I got it from, if it was Shein or Wish. It wasn't Temu. I've never ordered from Temu, but be that as it may, it's one of those. And I still have this, I've used it once or twice, and I keep the plastic on it since it's a, yeah, there we go. It was almost stuck. But there we go. It looks good, but it's not the original. We know it's not. Okay, but before that, I will do my cheeks. Now, I have two potentials. One is exothermic from PHYTOSURGENCE. I will do a swatch of that. Oh boy, did I ever. Okay, whoops. I went in strong with that swatch. It's stronger than I thought I was going to. Oh, and then I've got this one from Wander Beauty, which is Bare. Okay, so yeah, this was a very enthusiastic swatch, but there we go. And you know what? I think I will use exothermic, and I get the feeling that I don't even need to dig into the pot. I just need to take what's on my hand. I learned this from Shelby Wilson, because first of all, you're not taking a chance on swatching it on your cheeks, and it's like and it's easy to pick up as opposed to going into the container. So thank you, Shelby, for teaching me this little trick. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. Cherry cola, definitely. This is a very cherry cola color. I did good. I don't normally, but I did good. Wayne Goss puts a little bit of blush on the forehead, on the close to the temples. And Wayne Goss is a world-renowned makeup artist, so if he does it, yeah, you better be sure. I'm trying to learn how to copy it. So there is Exothermic, and it is an amazing blush. If you have not tried PHYTOSURGENCE, I wish when I put in my my order with PHYTOSURGENCE, I wish I could have gotten a bronzer and a highlighter, but I got what my bank account allowed, and even then I shouldn't have. Now before we go to the eyes, I am trying another, this is from Innisfree, and it says No Sebum Setting Powder, Matte Mineral. Now I'm not going to be doing it with that puff. There. Okay, I'm going to use a brush because this is, I know I should be using a puff, but I don't want the same thing to happen like last time. But, can't remember who it was, but it was another makeup artist that was, I'm doing it this way, but essentially you're supposed to make sure that the powder goes into, I think it was Rose, needs to get into the brush. So when you're taking it from, you just roll it in and make sure it gets deep into the brush. Let's see. I've got lip gloss on my lips because, well, first of all, my lips are dry as the Sahara, and last night I actually, for the first time, did a lip scrub. I've had a lip scrub for a while, but I just never used it, and I was tired of having little chunks of skin falling off. Nice picture, right? And this morning, my lips weren't too bad, but then I get here, for some reason my lips were dry. So I thought, okay, well, I'll do that. Okay, let's see, do I have anything left? Okay, so I am glowy. Let's see if you can see that. My pores seem to be less prominent. I'm still glowy. But I like glowy. Look at that color. Glowy is fine. Yes, I've got dark circles, and I did put a fair bit of concealer, but sleep is elusive. Okay, so this one is okay. This one seems to be okay. I'm not looking white like a Casper the Ghost. That was funny. Naughty. I don't want to call it Naughty Palette. I want to call it something different. I gotta think about that. Okay, so let's take some swatches. I don't even know if the names. Oh, I'm wearing a Canadian tuxedo today. Okay, so what do we have here? This one and this one seem to be the best to use, but I need to know. Okay, I'm going to start with Juicy and see how we go from there, because I do want to start light to dark. Okay, Juicy, number 15. Sorry. Whoa! Okay, and okay, I'm going to continue doing it this way for now because Rose taps. I might tap the other one in. She taps everything in. I do that on my face, but it's hard to get that habit out for my eyes. It really is. When you've had a habit for that long, it's very difficult to lose. Now, Tina did her look one way, and I think I'm gonna make mine different. Like, she had the color on the outer corner and whatnot, and I don't want to copy her look. I want her look to be individual, because she is a beautiful individual. And she gave me a good idea for a video. How bad am I? Okay, I'm going to use my Delium Tools brush, Golden Triangle number 779 shading blender. And I think she used Naughty, but I think I'm going to use Untamed. But see, that's the problem also. We have very different palettes. We're not even using the Inspired by palette. So let's see what I can do here. No. Last time I did that, I didn't post the video yet. It's still waiting. and it's the palette that you wanted to see, Melissa. It's not posted. It's uploaded, just not posted. It's bad. Criminy. Okay, so I want to, I'm going to use number 14, and I'm going to use that Naughty color. Okay, let's blend this a bit. Ooh, that Naughty color is dark. Okay. This palette I don't keep with my regular palette collection. I keep it with my Asian Beauty palette and my Asian Beauty makeup collection. Camera. All right, now I take my favorite 21, and I did say this one, which is Desire. I don't remember, but I think it's the same color that Tina used. Not in the same way, but same but different. And that is the fun of makeup, seeing what people can do with it. And then I said, which one? Did I say this one? Yeah, it's irresistible. Oh, wait a minute. We can try Slippery. It's covered up with plastic to keep it fresh. Whoa! That is beautiful. Okay, let's go with Irresistible. Let's squish and flip. My brain was too much on the tests I've been taking because apparently I'm autistic. Which would make a lot of sense. It really, it makes a lot of sense. You got to remember, first of all, autism wasn't even diagnosed when I was a kid. And in the 70s, they actually said, oh no, if you're a girl, you can't get it. It's only for boys. Same with the 80s. They said the same thing. So it just makes so much sense. I have yet to put fairy dust. Even if it goes all the way up to my brow, it gets fairy dust. And that is that. We're not done. We're gonna do more when I get back. First off, I gotta say, this is the lip gloss I used. It's a Kaja. I think I got it last Christmas in a pack of 2. And it lasted because when I went to take it off, it was still beautiful and shiny and glossy and yeah, that was a nice surprise. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I am putting on the wine that I got. Getting this lip liner was quite fortuitous and timely. I have a choice of 3. The first 2 are from Oden's Eye, and the last one is Jason Wu. Oh, this is gonna be hard. In the camera, this looks like it's got orange in it. I think it's gonna have to be Jason Wu. Okay, I haven't worn Jason Wu in a while, and I'm sure that if you haven't seen the video, there's a video where, because this is for lips, eyes, and cheeks, and I did a video using this. Hard to believe this is a matte lipstick because it doesn't feel matte. It really doesn't. It feels amazing. And that's why I can't have more lipsticks. Just, yeah, I don't know. Well, one Chanel would be nice, yeah. I need to replace my Dior lip gloss, so that doesn't count. What else? I don't know. just 5, that's all I do know. Cherry Cola! I didn't know what else to say. I was like, Bridget doesn't know what to say? The Babble Queen? So there we go. This is my version of the Cherry Cola look. Tina, if you're watching this, let me know what you think. Be honest. I'm good with honest. So, might need to replace this if I can find it dirt cheap again. Just like the Empowered palette, which is still not in my hands, but, well, inspired by. Okay, I want the Empowered, the real one, and the grunge. I'm a greedy, yes, so and so. Yeah, there we go. I'm a very greedy so and so. I really am. But there we go. Let me see what your cola looks like. I did the latte. Maybe I should go and check some of the beauty stuff on TikTok and see what else I can copy. But there we go. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.